Hello again. Have you ever wondered which letters to use for the sound? Is it IR, ER or UR? In today's class we are going to learn phonics spellings, looking at confusing spelling patterns. Hello again, my name's Margaret and welcome to my phonics class today. Let's look at the IR first. My turn and your turn. B-er-d, bird. F-er-st, first. D-er-t, dirt. S-w-er-l, swirl. Ch-er-p, chirp. Well done. So this IR is often found in the middle of a word. It's in the middle. But there is an exception in stir. So usually you see the D on the end, or the L, or the T, or the P, or a double consonant cluster, st. So those are the patterns that you need to know. D, consonant cluster, T, L, P. Okay? Or it can come at the end, but that's very exceptional. What letters are missing? There's your word. You can see that's a shirt. This picture, there's a flower in the dirt. She's having a birthday. Number 1, you are first. Okay, what letters are missing? Sh, t, d, t, b, f, d, a. St, first. What do you think? IR for shirt. DR, IDIR for dirt. BIR, birthday. Birthday. And the last one, IR, first. First. Okay, let's look at ER words. My turn, your turn. Tiger. Fern. Otter. Herd. Letter. So is often found at the end of the words, but if it is in the middle it's got an N after it or a D. Usually ER is at the end of a word. as they say, the exception, fern. And sometimes there are two syllables in the word, like over and teacher. But the sound is always at the end. So let's look at syllables. Syllables. Some of the words with ER spellings have one syllable, some have two syllables. Her. One syllable. Her. Fern. One syllable. Fern. Teacher. Teacher. Two syllables. Usually tell the vowel patterns. Teacher. Letter. Letter. Two vowel patterns, two syllables. ER, word list. Let's look at your reading. My turn, your turn. Her. Merge. 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 Jerk. 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 Germ. Next one. Term. Nerve. Clerk. Swerve. Okay, what's the missing letters? Here's your pictures. Hammer. Fern. Mixer. Germ. Ham. Mix. Okay, what's the missing letters? Hammer. ER is at the end of the word. ER. Hammer. As in fern. Two syllables. Mixer. Germ. So it's ER as in those ones. Let's look at our UR words. My turn, your turn. Turtle. Turtle. Burn. Burn. Turnip. Turnip. Curb. Curb. Nurse. Nurse. So UR, usually found in the middle of the word, usually ends in N, S, B, or a 3 digraph. Nip, till. Okay, N, T, 3, or a group of letters. Apart from this one, fur. Let's read some more UR words. Nurse. Turtle. Purse. Turn. burger. 2 syllables. Burger, turtle. 1 syllable, ends ending, se is the ending for those ones. So that's the you are. Match the spelling patterns in the words. So remember, er is found at the end of a word or in 2 syllables. Ir is found in the middle of a word. You are is found at the middle of a word. Proper. Maybe you can see the spelling pattern there. Dirt. Purse. Never. Maybe you can see the spelling patterns in those. What's wrong with this sentence? I hope the weather will be better on Saturday. I hope the weather will be better on Saturday. Okay. Sounds, so it's weather. Is IR usually at the end? Don't think IR's usually at the end. Better. Is you are usually at the end? Saturday. There's the you are there. It's in the middle of a word. And there's 3 syllables. Saturday. Weather is ER. Better is ER. It's the ER ending of the word. Saturday, because it's in the middle. So the correct spellings, I hope the weather will be better on Saturday. So let's recap what we've learnt today. ER is often found at the end of a word or at the end of a 2-syllable word. Her, over, under, letter or teacher. IR is often found in the middle of the word. First, ST, girl at the end, bird, D, third and shirt with a T. Make sure you're making a note of the end sounds of these spellings. It will help you recognise them another time. Because you are is found in the middle too. So if you recognise the end sound like turn, you can't put the N on an IR word, but you can with the UR. Burn, purple. So multiple consonants sounds at the end of a UR sound, not in an IR, just a digraph, consonant blend, ST, and it's in the middle of days of the week. Thursday, Saturday. I hope you found today's class useful. If you did, please give it a like, and if there's anything you want to ask me, just use the comments box below and I will be right back to answer them. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great videos like this. Bye bye for now.